3 days in on a wash and go with store-bought product, 3 days in on a wash and go with my DIY product. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Sheeba Renae, and thank y'all for tuning in. Today, I'm going to do a wash and go, but before we get started, I want to show you a previous wash and go that I have done. Right here, I'm 3 days in, plenty of moisture, but I'm lost a lot of my definition, especially in the crown area. So I wanted to do a comparison with the products that I used before. So for my leave-in, like I did in the previous wash and go, I did use Camille Rose Almond Joy Twisting Butter. This gave me so much moisture and I enjoyed it. Now, for my styler today, I will be using my DIY Hibiscus Flaxseed Gel. My previous wash and go, I used the Camille Rose Curl Maker. I cannot use that and her butter together. It's unbelievable moisture, but it did not give me the hold that I was looking for. So today I'm going to combine the Camille Rose Twisting Butter for my leave-in and my Flaxseed Gel as my styler. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Tap the subscribe button if you are not a subscriber and the notification bell for my future uploads. And thank you guys for watching. Quiet star, quiet star, quiet star. So these are the results of my first day hair, you guys. Definite moisture from the Camille Rose Twisting Butter. Thank you so much. I am so in love. My DIY Hibiscus Flaxseed Gel did the damn thing with the definition and the hold. I have a light cast, no flaking, you guys. It's healthy, and what more could you ask for? Please give me that thumbs up if you enjoyed. I do have day 3 hair and video at the end for you, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.